Cincinnati City Council voted not to go after a federal grant that would have helped sick families in Avondale.
The vote was 5-4. 9 News reporter Annette Pegler is in the newsroom with why council voted the way it did and how that vote affects the community. Annette?
Well, Clyde, there was no guarantee that the city would have received this grant, but a yes vote would have put the city of Cincinnati in the running to receive federal funding for at least 3 years. Today, I found out why City Council would turn down free money. Joyce Wisby, her children and grandchildren have lived in Avondale for about 8 years. She says the neighborhood doesn't have a nearby health care clinic, which automatically puts her family and other residents at a disadvantage.
This is to help people with children and elderly people, and people don't have money that can get this stuff done. Mainly their health.
2 weeks ago, a majority of council members voted against allowing the city's health department to apply for a federal grant. So why would the city turn down free money?
I voted against a new federal clinic because I did not want the taxpayers of Cincinnati to pay for a health clinic if they lose future funding to come back to the city of Cincinnati.
But his colleagues disagree.
This was a good plan to get people who right now do not have access to good quality health care in their neighborhood a chance to get preventative care instead of them going to the emergency room for every little thing. So it would have been good for the city, and beyond that, Children's Hospital was interested in partnering with us.
The initial vote left health department officials stunned.
There is no city budget dollars that need to cover this. It's 100% federally funded, and irrespective of your ideology with government and health care, preventative services are much cheaper to do than damage control type services.
Ultimately, the decision affects residents in Avondale. Wisby says she hopes council overturn their initial decision.
A lot of times people don't have money to get to these hospitals and stuff.
Now, Councilman Winburn met with the city's health commissioner today. He told me that he will change his vote if the health department can prove that after 3 years, the expense of this clinic won't return to the taxpayers and to the city. Health officials say the plan to meet with Winburn within the next couple of weeks. Clyde?